here. Okay, so I'm in the cellar, obviously, and I'm looking at putting in a circuit down here for power and some lighting off it, an emergency light, you know, just fit a bulkhead so that if power goes, you've got emergency lights, you can come down here and have a look at it. Putting some of the bonding to fill the gaps. As you can see, we're just kind of trying to fill in the gaps around the socket that we will let harden. And because it's a big gap, what I'll do is just come around there and trim the inside once it's gone hard. But there we go. As it dries, it shrinks, it cracks, and all the rest of it. can. Okay, right. Well, have a go on this one. Okay, hold on. Into the corner. There, and then you're ready. You get it onto your.
Do you have to do it all?
Onto your thing. No.
No.
And then what you do is you'd just squeeze it in. Yeah. And that'll do. So then get some more. You can, if you want, just finish that off. Just get rid. So put a bit more on onto there.
Just gonna do one.
Yep. So knuckles to it. Yeah. And vertical. And then tip it. Yeah. It'll come off. You don't have to squat it onto the thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So that.
And then get it start kind of where I was. So you'll see there's a gap. There.
Like that.
Yeah. And then scrape that bit off. And then see where you can put that. Yeah. And then get some more. Go down to the floorboard level with it and try and pull it out. You can see how this extension, they've done it to here.
Right.